Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video I will be showing you guys how to check your recently follow on Instagram. So if you are like me, I've been follow someone that I forgot the name and it didn't show on my feed, so I have to look to my profile. So here what to do, you just click your profile on down below here, and then you can and then you click your following like this. And then from the following tab on your apps, as you can see, this is an option of sorting your follow. So this is by default sort by, I think it's based on engagement to the particular account. So you can click on the short and then short by latest. So it's already sorted by latest. So I follow these accounts sorted by latest I follow. So that's it guys, how to sort your followed Instagram account on apps. Okay, I hope it's helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.